Hello YouTube, heavy duty reviews here with a new gun I just picked up from my local gun dealer. This is a Smith and Wesson Model 66 No Dash. Yes, it is very dirty and there's a little rust in the sights, which I'm going to replace. I've got one on the way. I am going to, it's in solid shape, you know. The barrel, it's got good rifling. I don't know if you can see that. Needs cleaned. Let me try to get a piece of paper to look down the barrel with. Put anything white behind it and it shows up. So, you know, it's got good rifling, but the barrel needs cleaned out. It really needs cleaned out. But there's nothing wrong with the rifling. Like, you know, it's dirty. It's very dirty. Whoever had this gun shot it and didn't clean it. I mean, you know, it's got burn rings. It's got, everything works great on it. It's got, you know, some dirt down the cylinder, not dirt, but, you know, carbon and junk buildup. It's got these rubber, I don't know what you would, I guess these are Pacmar presentation grips. It doesn't say that, it doesn't have anything on them, but they have the original grips and the original box that came with it. They just got to find it. I just went ahead and picked up the gun so that I could, you know, bring it home, start working on it. It's in good shape. I mean, you know, it the trigger on it is fantastic. Very light and very smooth. Semi-target trigger and hammer, or, you know, there is no end shake whatsoever. You couldn't move this thing with a, you know, and the cylinder is, there is no movement on that cylinder at all. You know, it's got the firing pin on the hammer, and it's in good shape. Mechanically, it's very sound. It is a very sound gun. You know, the ejectors work good. It's not bent. Goes in and out and locks up tight. It fires on all 6 cylinders. Double action works great. Very light, very crisp. I think the gun needs just a double action worn in a little bit. I may or may not do. It's actually got a good sight picture. I just don't like the black outline all that great. So I am getting new sights for it. I haven't taken it apart yet, but I'm going to, when I get time, I'm going to take it apart, redo all the internals, clean up whatever needs cleaned up, take these grips off, put new grips on it, wooden grips, vintage wooden grips that came with it, recondition the metal, make it bright mirror polished, new sights, maybe a trigger job, I don't know yet. Kind of feels good the way it is. I haven't put it on a trigger gauge yet, or trigger pull gauge, so yeah, but solid gun. But this is the before video. This is what it looks like. And yeah, there's a little rust here and there. Nothing that some Blue Wonder gun cleaner can't take care of. And some triple aught steel wool. Yeah, and that's down the barrel and the cylinders and everything. 357 Magnum, Combat Magnum. Got some Underwood ammo that I keep in it for now until I clean it and get it ready to rock and roll. Everything's very solid on this. You know, got a pin barrel, recessed cylinders. I would say this is a 1970 4 to 6 gun. I won't know until I get the box. I could look up the serial number, I guess. Could call Smith and Wesson and ask them. They're usually pretty good. But it is Model 66 No Dash. Just needs cleaned. I can get these burn rings off and everything with a lead cloth. That's all I've got for today. Thanks, YouTube. I'm out.